Hey, it's Mike. Today I'm following up on a stock that I covered on Monday because it moved up over 13%. So I think there's some potential to still consider this stock if you didn't buy into it. And the company's called Alpine for Technologies. It trades on the OTC markets under symbol ALPP. Stock was up over 13%. It's now up to 50 cents. And this is a pretty interesting company because there's not many like it. It's basically a holding company that acquires different businesses that are in different industries, but all these industries are in the sort of the best way I would talk about is emerging technologies. You have software, automotive technologies, electronic manufacturing, fabrication technologies. And the company, what I really like about this company is that it has a pretty smart acquisition model, is that they're looking for three type businesses that fit into one of three categories. So those categories are drivers, companies that are poised for large growth and have a huge potential upside for market share. So these are your kind of your money-making companies. Then you have the stabilizers. These are companies that have sticky customers. So this is kind of like great recurring revenue stabilizers. And then finally, facilitators. These are companies that have synergistic relevance to the first two categories. So these are companies that facilitate or provide services to your drivers and your stabilizers. And I like the fact that this sort of holding company has three different strategies to acquire businesses, and all these businesses are businesses that are in growth industries. So software is always growing. Automotive technologies, you have vehicles who are moving forward more into autonomous technology. Electronics is always continuing to grow. Fabrication. I really like this company. I like their business model. And I also like the fact that they're kind of doing a lot of the analysis work for you, that they're analyzing these companies, making sure these companies are driving in the type of revenue that they need to drive. They have sticky customers, or they're in the right space. So the great thing about a company like Alpine for Technologies is that they're acquiring the companies for you, and they're doing a lot of the heavy lifting when it comes to analysis. And also the fact that this is a 50-cent stock with a market cap of $57 million, it definitely has the potential, if their holding companies continue to drive in more growth over the next couple of months, or the next couple of years, this stock can really begin to take off. So definitely take a look at it. I know if you're on Webull or Robinhood, you can't trade OTC stocks, but you have to look at larger brokerage platforms like Fidelity and E-Trade. You can definitely get access to the OTC markets. There are also some specialist brokerage firms that just deal with penny stocks. However, I would not recommend them because I don't think they're US based or US regulated. However, so if you do want to trade penny stocks, go ahead and look at like Fidelity, E-Trade, TradeStation. Again, Alpine for Technologies trades on the OTC markets and the symbol ALPP. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.